Hi guys! This year I'm about to be 30 years of age. You know, it's not a short time or long time, but it's a big deal for me right now. Maybe some of you who are listening to me are older than me. Maybe some of you are younger than me. It doesn't matter. You know, it's been 15 years since I made a decision for myself. You know, made a decision to be a happy person. To live in a peaceful and a happy place where I will have good friends. I will be among the best of my age. This is what I dreamed of when I was 15 years old. Now I'm about to be 30 years. 15 years just passed like this, you know. I've been working every day, you know. I'm trying to make myself harder, better, faster, you know. But still, ask yourself a question. Maybe you made yourself a resolution at the end of the 2019. At the beginning of 2020, you made a decision to be the best person. To be better than you were at least. Maybe you are working hard in order to become better this year, but you know, success is something that needs perseverance. Needs a consistent work that comes day by day. However, with consistency, we also have a problem of discipline. Most of the people of my age, maybe under, have the problem of discipline. If you guys are trying to be happy, really happy, you know, work on yourself. Whenever you are trying to reach certain goals, anything that surrounds you shouldn't bother you. Everything that surrounds you should be the one that teaches you to be the better person. The other things trying to distract you should go away, you know. You gotta work hard. You gotta work on mentality of a champion. You gotta be the champion. The life has the meaning with the purpose. From today on, try to find something that makes you a purpose. As long as you have a purpose, you will work hard. You will never have a time for sleep. You will never have a time for chat with someone else or do something that has no meaning. You know, when you have a dream, you are working day by day. You are sleeping with the same thought. You are waking up with the same thought. You are working hard. You never get tired. If you really want to be successful this year, if you want to change yourself, work hard. Change yourself, really. Try to gain a discipline. Persevere on doing something. Never give up, guys. You may have a time when you fall down, but this is absolutely fine thing. If you fall down, learn how to get up again. And start doing. Don't be afraid of starting over anything. Don't be afraid of starting from scratch anything. Learn how to find yourself. Look for good solutions. If you don't know the solutions, don't be afraid of asking for others. This is the way how success comes, guys. If you persevere, if you really work hard on a good purpose, if you have a dream of having a better life, helping others, sharing with happiness, Allah will give you the chance. Just never forget to use this chance. Because you are in this world, you are already a champion among millions. Now work harder to be the champion again. The life is a chance, just one chance, where you have to show the power of yourself. Work hard. As long as you work hard, as long as you are not stopping yourself, as long as you are not giving up, the life will change, definitely, guys. I want 2020 to be the time when you will be happy. Just believe in one thing. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be successful. And the world is waiting for the champion like you. Alright? Work hard, stay alive, be healthy, dream about better things. Make these days the happiest days of yourself. Have a great night and see you, bro.